Shout out to my barber Cisco at Ghetto Barbers. We here.
Brand new, right?
Yo, I got pollen in my eyes, yo. Look at my barber got an idea.
We're gonna get the pollen out of his eyes. Watch. Got it. Open the other side. Open it.
Yo.
Yo, your eyes don't feel better? See the corner on this side? You gotta make like a little imaginary line and let this all fill up because you fucked it up. Pushed it way back. He gave himself a throwback.
Quality entertainment.
So I'm at work, it's one day later, but it just goes to show what having a barber can do for you, man. It had me looking from this to this. So, and about the YouTube taking my other video down, it really didn't make sense to me, and I tried to fight it, tried to appeal them taking my video down, but in the end, I lost the battle, you know. But it is what it is. That's why I'm uploading today. I guess what they were saying was my video was inappropriate for the age group or whatever, which it didn't make sense because the video I reacted to was another video off of YouTube. So if they're gonna take my video down, then that other video should have been down. But it is what it is. You live, you learn. Shout out to Cisco for being in the video today. And that's all for today, man. With that being said, Jro out.